Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 E300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has the luxury line with the luxury exterior and interior Mercedes-Benz hood ornament on the hood. 19-inch 10-spoke alloy wheels. A nut brown, espresso brown MB-Tex interior. Sunroof. E300 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Comfort box for extra storage. Clean set of floor mats. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist. A light wood trim. Memory seats, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, ambient lights, heated steering wheel, touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera with sensors, dual climate controls, hard keys for your media display, wireless charging, USB ports, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, different parking cameras. This E-Class has 26,747 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.